The modern motorcycle has lots of plastic, and this is the Yamaha Niken with acres of it. And to get this back to looking like new, I've found the answer. And here it is, R1 Regeneration. It's very easy to use. I've just put a light on this panel so you can see what it looked like before I'm going to apply. So basically you just get a little bit, put onto a bit of cloth, like so, and just rub it on. It's a textured plastic, so we just need to kind of rub it in the grooves. A little bit goes a long way, as you can see. I've actually put too much on, so we can continue on here. But we'll just let that dry in a few minutes, and then just give it a rub over on the edges. And that's it, done. But it's not always the answer. It retails for about €14 here in Ireland. And I've tried it on these shad panniers. And this one is done with R1, but this one is done with Mr. Sheen. Now Mr. Sheen is about €3 a tin, and actually is a great all-rounder for any surface. So for parts like that, it's not always the best solution. But in general, for a motorcycle, a lot of plastics, I recommend R1. And here it is, R1 Regeneration. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.